Welcome to our Hayes Middle School cyberbullying training. What to know? What exactly is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is repeated harassment, threats, and demeaning communication through the use of technology. People are cyberbullied based on appearance, academic achievement, race, sexuality, financial status, and religion. This could be through the use of computers, tablets, cell phones, and any other form of electronic device. Types of communications that are commonly used in cyberbullying include text messaging, Facebook, YouTube, online gaming, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, email, and Twitter. What makes cyberbullying difficult? It goes out instantly to the masses. It can be hard to tell who the perpetrator is. It can happen anywhere at any time, school and home. It's difficult to monitor, and everyone has access to technology in the world today. Causes and effects of cyberbullying. People cyberbully out of hate, anger, insecurity, peer pressure, victimize themselves, or to gain social status. The effects. Causes social anxiety, depression, suicidal thoughts, self-harm, missed school, eating disorders, drug and alcohol use. What to watch for. Children with disabilities, mental illness, and members of the LGBTQ community are often targeted. Most of the time, the victim knows the perpetrator. Girls are 2 times more likely to be a perpetrator and the victim. 42% of students have experienced cyberbullying. What is our legal obligations? All states but Montana have defined bullying prevention laws for schools. Kansas policy requires each district to state their own policy on bullying and must include provisions on cyberbullying. Discipline is up to each school district. Cyberbullying can be prohibited off school grounds as well. Courts have backed schools if they can prove actions have disrupted the learning environment. Our HMS policy. Bullying, peer pressure, or peer abuse policy states that HMS students will remain aware of bullying and peer abuse behaviors, will refrain from such behaviors. Students are expected to be committed to healthy, respectful relationships with others. According to Kansas statute, bullying is defined as 1. Intentional negative actions intended to harm another person. 2. Severe and persistent acts. Bullying, peer abuse behaviors would include, but are not limited to, physical abuse, touching, pinching, shoving, pushing, hitting, fighting, disrespect. Verbal abuse, taunting, jeers, name-calling, bullying, intimidation, threats, and disrespect. Social abuse, ostracizing or social isolation, scapegoating or blaming others, gestures, disrespect, sexual abuse. Written or verbal communications of sexual nature, unnecessary and unwanted touching that is consensual, disrespect. Cyber abuse, any communication by electronics that consists of threatening, name-calling, intimidation, or disrespect, as stated above. 10 types of cyberbullying. Exclusion, left out of groups. Harassment, sustained intentional bullying of threats or abuse. Outing, public humiliating. Cyberbullying, or cyberstalking, harass through email and social media. Scraping, impersonation of a real person. Fake profile, a created online persona. Dissing, posting cruel info, videos, pictures. Trickery, to gain trust through secrets. Trolling, using insults to provoke a response. And catfishing, stealing an online identity to create a fake profile. What can we do? Each of the 5 ways is covered in the student video. Report it, tell someone. Police it, get evidence. Block it. Block them and delete them from your account. Stand up. Tell them to knock it off. If you're a bystander, same thing. Be kind. Use the golden rule. As teachers, we need to encourage parents to monitor their children's online activity. Use Apple Classroom and monitor iPad activity during class. Talk in depth about cyberbullying in your 7 Mindsets lesson during Falcon Squad. Thank you. Have a good day.